Welcome to Sevana, where innovation meets efficiency. My name is Raman. So today we are introducing you our new innovation, the Pneumatic Sealer, ideal for sealing retort pouches. So let's explore our machine apart.
Our pneumatic sealers are microcontroller based high pressure sealing machine with 4 preset modes. As it is pneumatically operated, it requires 6 to 8 bar pressures for sealing, and it also comes with built-in pressure regulator. Another important feature is its one-touch filling for leak-proof working, and the cooling agent like running water or water chiller can be integrated with this machine.
So now we'll start with hands-on demo for your better understanding.